Hi everyone. I found the film Like Star on her very inspiring because it shows the importance of understanding each student's needs. The main character, Isan, has dyslexia, a learning disability that affects his reading and writing. However, many many people around him interpret his difficulties as a lack of interesting or irresponsibility. What struck me most was the attitude of teacher Ram. Shankar Nikov, he took the time to understand his son and discover his true abilities thanks to his support the boy, regained his self-confidence and was able to demonstrate his artist talent. This film teaches us a very important lesson for education. Not all students learn in the same way, so teacher must be patient, empathetic, and use strategies that respond to individual needs. For more, families also plays a fundamental role by providing understanding and support. Eh, in conclusion, like Star on her reminds us that behind every difficulty there can be great talent. When education is based on understanding and respect, students can reach their full potential. Um, and thank you very much. See you next.